Hey folks, today's a really good day. It's a really good day because I've got Patti in the kitchen.
And today I'm going to try and teach Rob how to bake Christmas cookies.
I like Christmas cookies. You know, every year Patti gets together with the grandkids and our daughter and daughter-in-law and makes some pretty amazing Christmas cookies.
We have lots of fun.
Yeah, but you know what? I don't think Christmas cookies are just for Christmas. You can have them all year long.
Today we're going to make Spritz cookies. They have a unique recipe because you use almond extract.
Almonds. I like cashews. Can we use cashew extract?
No, that's going to ruin it.
Okay, we'll stick to her. Like I said, I don't know how to bake. She's the baker in the family.
Yeah, and no substitutions.
No substitution, no peppers or anything. So, grab your cookie press and let's make some Spritz cookies.
This should be an adventure.
Well, it looks like Patti has been busy in getting everything ready for me.
That's to make sure you don't fudge on the measuring.
Oh, okay. Okay, you got this mixer out for me. Am I supposed to just dump stuff in there?
Not yet. What you're going to do is you're going to first put the butter and the powdered sugar in there, and you're going to blend that really well.
So just dump the butter in?
Yep.
Okay. Looks like a lot of butter.
All cookies have a lot of butter.
Now the powdered sugar?
Yep.
Oh, is it supposed to do that?
Not if you dump it slowly.
Whoops. I think I inhaled some powdered sugar. Now am I supposed to mix this or what am I supposed to do?
Yes. Put the machine down.
Put the machine down, she says.
In the back.
In the back. Where in the back?
Right here.
Right here. Okay. Is there a button you press?
Yep, press it.
It's like I know what I'm doing.
The button's on the right there.
Okay.
Put it on slow so
Okay.
that you don't have the powdered sugar puffing up again.
Okay.
You can put it on a little faster.
Even faster?
Yeah, a little bit. There you go.
So what are we looking for here?
Well, you're looking for consistency, but at first we have to scrape the sides.
Okay. So you're going to scrape the sides?
Yep, make sure all the powdered sugar gets in there and gets mixed up.
Okay.
Okay, and we have to mix it some more.
Okay.
It's slowly getting the powdered sugar off the bottom. There we go. All right, we'll scrape it again and then...
Okay. Is this the point where we get to eat the batter?
You could probably eat it now because there's no egg in it, but it's not going to taste the greatest.
Now the egg?
Now the egg. The vanilla.
Vanilla?
The almond extract. The salt. And a couple drops of the green food coloring.
There we go. Okay, is it time to put the flour in yet?
Yes, but you need the attachment so you don't spill it all over.
There's an attachment. Oh, you just put it like this?
Yep.
The whole thing?
Yep.
Honey, it looks a little yellow. Do you think we need to put more color in there?
Yeah, you need a little bit more.
More green food coloring. So I'm learning very important things about baking. Number one, I'm no good at it. Patti's an expert. And number two, I don't know. Well, I said I was going to be baking these cookies, but Patty, well, she's got her fingers in there.
I washed them.
Okay. I said I'd be the one making these cookies, but it looks like Patty's taken over because she has seen my incompetence.
I'll pretend I'm taking it off again.
Yeah, right.
Okay. Just wait. Finger again. See, you don't work with dough. It's dough.
Well, that looks like dough.
Yep, it is dough. It is sticky. But that's good, so it sticks to the pan when you are spritzing it.
Ah. Hey, Patty, what is this thing? I see you playing with it every year. What is it?
It is a cookie press, and it presses out the Spritz cookies. They come in electric and manual.
Oh, this is an electric one.
It is.
Oh.
But they take a little getting used to.
Okay, well, I'm going to get used to it because this is what I have to use. So do I take off this top here?
Yep.
Okay.
And then put some of the dough
Okay.
in there.
Our green dough.
Try to squish it in.
Okay, we'll try. Oh, okay. I did a little research to figure out why they're called Spritz cookies. Do you know it comes from the German word spritzen?
Really? What does spritzen mean?
It means to squirt out. So we're actually squirting out dough to make cookies.
I see. That makes sense.
Yeah, boy, this is sticky. Then,
Put top on.
oh, it looks like we have a Christmas tree shape. Okay, it looks like we're going to put this on our pizza stone. We make a lot of pizzas on this thing.
Yes, it can be used for pizzas, but it's also good for cookies. It bakes pretty evenly, and it's well seasoned. But if you use a regular cookie pan with parchment paper, the parchment paper will prevent it from sticking to it, and you won't get any of the spritz out of the gun.
Oh, because this cookie dough has to stick to something.
Right.
Okay, so...
Now you want to press it down to the end a little bit first.
Okay, so just press this button and it squirts out, eh?
Yeah. Press it until you see it start coming out there. You see it coming out?
There, it's coming out.
Okay.
So do I just put it right here?
Put it right there. Press it for a few seconds. You have to kind of get the feel of it. Okay, now lift it up. That's pretty perfect. You could put maybe just a little bit longer to make it a little bigger.
Okay.
There you go.
Oh, maybe a little too big.
No,
Try another
I
one.
think you moved it when you picked it up.
Same thing.
Yeah.
I'm guessing if they're really bad, we can just scoop them and put it back in, right?
Yes.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay. It's a little too long, I think. Am I doing them close enough to each other?
They can be closer
Okay.
because they don't spread. You can even probably get some on the outside here. Whoops.
That one's a defect.
Yep.
So if you didn't have this electric thing, you'd have to be squeezing a trigger or something?
Yes.
Okay, I think I did pretty good in that batch. Let's do another stone's worth. Patty brought another one. Okay, what I'm learning is making Spritz cookies is not as easy and fun as I thought it was going to be. Look at that. Is that a cookie? No. Patty, want to take over? Okay, Patty. I feel more comfortable back here behind the camera. Go ahead. And
No guarantees it's going to not do the same thing to me.
okay.
Almost.
Since we're having so many problems with this particular pan because it is well seasoned, very slippery, we're going to try a different pan. Okay, that seems to be working much better.
You want to try it?
Yes. Or do I? Yes, I'll try it. Where was this pan over there? Yeah, this is working a lot better on this pan. I think I did pretty good. I think I'm an expert now. What do you think? You know what? You can keep making these cookies with the grandkids and the girls. I'll sit and have a beer with Ryan. You know, these look great, but I think they're missing something.
You need to top them with a little bit of sugar.
Sugar, so like little ornaments, little glistening things?
Yep.
I'm good at that. You're going faster than me. Slow down.
Yeah, but I'm using more.
Ooh, I like the multi-colors. They look like ornaments. I'm assuming these will melt in a little bit.
Yeah.
I know when the grandkids help you with these cookies, they turn out to be quite a piece of art, don't they? You've done a few of these before, I can tell.
A few.
Not a bad selection of trees. I think these have to go in the oven next, right?
Yep. Our oven is set at 350.
Baking away. It's starting to smell good in here. Do you usually cook it at 350?
No, my recipe calls for 400. I've seen other recipes that do it at 350, and we're trying it out to see if we'll get a little less brown on the edges and a little more done on the inside.
As a personal note, I like the brown ones, actually the really burnt ones, because nobody else eats those and I get them. That's kind of selfish. I shouldn't be that way.
Oh, well.
Patti, I think they're done.
I think they are. Let's check.
Oh,
Yep. They look done.
looks pretty good. As we mentioned, these Spritz cookies aren't just for Christmas. They can be made any time of the year. Of course, we are in that holiday season. Another batch is out of the oven. Patty's gonna serve them up here. Kind of.
They're not sticking now.
Hey Patti, it was a successful day. Spritz cookies.
Lots of Spritz cookies.
Yeah. I was only involved in making the green ones. I think I did squirt out a couple of these
Most
red
of them.
ones. Yeah. They look really good. And I think it's time that we actually give them a try.
Best part.
Best part. Which kind do you want?
I want a snowflake.
Okay. And I would like one of these wreaths. Or poinsettias, I think they are, right?
Yeah.
We're not sure what they are. Cheers and
Cheers.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Mm-hmm. It's got that almond taste, and you can really taste the sugar on top.
Yeah, I really like this. You know, I'm glad you talked me out of the cashew extract.
Yeah.
I have to have another bite. Did you finish your cookie already?
One bite. Who bites a Spritz?
As some of our more astute viewers probably figured out, this video did not come out on Thursday. It came out on Wednesday, Christmas Eve. Because tomorrow we're going to be spending the day with family.
Yep.
And if you're watching this after Christmas or even on Christmas, Merry Christmas, or whatever holiday you seem to be celebrating right now. This might be the 4th of July when you're watching this video. Patti and I have some really great plans for 2026 coming up. I think we're going to Hawaii.
Hawaii and Mexico.
And I think in the summer we might be booking a river cruise, our first river cruise ever.
Hopefully in Europe.
Yeah, in Wisconsin it might not be all that great, right?
At least it'll be summer.
As usual, we're having a really good day today, and thank you, Patti, for putting up with me as I was trying to make these cookies. These Spritz cookies, I think I'll leave it up to Patti. Any cookies or any baking, I'm going to leave it up to Patti. We're having a great day.
Hope you're having a great day too.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye.